I have started a program with the name test M, and the objective of this program is to get the maximum value in a matrix. I have declared a matrix A55, which is a 5 by 5 square matrix. Integers have been defined. Two functions have been called big number and maximum value when required. I have defined two dummy vectors, temporary vector V and V max V. They have been initialized to 0 values, and I have stored here uh, 25 random values to the elements of A with the nested loop structure. Now to get the maximum value, I get the maximum values one by one for each column. And for that one, I have to store a uh, matrix elements into a temporary vector. So it's like I write do for all the vectors, for all the columns of matrix. So I write it should be done for J1 to 5. So for one column, for column first, so it should set values. And now I write do I varies from 1 up to 5. So first thing, temporary V of I, it is equal to A I comma J. So this is to store values of a column to temp V. So when J is equal to 1, the entries of first column of A will be stored in the temporary vector. And then, okay, after storing these values, I have to get the maximum value, and I will store this maximum value in the Vmax vector. So Vmax vector, the first value is equal to the maximum V function, temporary V, and for 5 entries. So this will store the maximum value in the vector, right? So for J value equal to 1, it will pick up the maximum value from the first column. When J is equal to 2, all values will be stored in the temporary vector, and then the maximum value will be stored in the second element of Vmax V. That's it. So 5 maximum values will be generated. And then the grand matrix, I need a variable for that. So I define a final maximum. So maximum of matrix. So the last value will be maximum of matrix. The grand maximum value will be the max V of V max vector of maximum values from columns, and that's it. So then we can write the print statements. So print statement. Yeah. Complete matrix, print A. Well, this is not the professional way of writing. We will learn that one later on. Okay. Then print the whole vector. Vector V max V. This is V max V. And then the grand maximum value, maximum of matrix A. This is maximum matrix. Okay, this is done. And I have to bring functions in the same file. So from the library, I require two functions, big number and maximum value. And the program is ready. Let's look for the errors, whether it is okay for compiler or not. So no cry, no sigh, no coughing, no whistle. We are ready to test our program for -o test m.exe. So maximum of a matrix. Amazing, amazing. I didn't find any error. As per compiler C, maximum of a matrix. Maximum of each column was stored in a vector and then the maximum was evaluated. That's amazing. Wow. So maximum vector and maximum of matrix, the matrix elements were stored from random numbers. So the maximum of matrix is 0.9885 to 5033. And we can see this value in the vector V max V. This is the first value over there. So this is the rightfully the maximum entry.